So hello everyone. I believe this is a good thing to start or to end the week. So this is the weekend. So I believe and I do hope that I can share with you some of my weekend outfit, especially maybe I can share some ideas. So usually I always have a theme in every outfit. So for this weekend, as you can see, got here more of butterflies. This is my hair clip. The headband is more like flower lace detail, and of course the ring. This is parrot, additional mid-rings, an infinity bracelet which has the pastel color. As you can see, this bracelet as well, it has the leaf details and also the earrings and flowers and some sunglasses. So I do hope you guys will enjoy this series of outfit that I'll be sharing with you, and have a good weekend and God bless.